Hello? Welcome to the show that's about to have a nervous breakdown. It's 112 operator. So this duty 33 is going to be a complete disaster. I already know it's going to be a complete disaster. I'm going in expecting a horrible failure. I'm just hoping the game has a touch of mercy for me. Chances of that slim. So we're supposed to get a massive snowstorm. I added a couple fire units to hopefully help dig people out faster. I picked up this quad bike. They're pretty cheap. It says they're supposed to be good off-road, so I'm hoping that means they'll be okay in the snow and they can help dig people out and stuff. Not sure. We're gonna find out. So let's just. I'm gonna start the mission. I'm gonna pause the my headset for just a second, and then we'll get rolling. Okay? Wish me luck.
Starting
Yes, ma'am.
patrol
Want to let
duty.
you know we are en route. Also, you have a 10830 Nottingham.
Receiving. Awaiting orders.
Impossible due to the weather conditions.
They're all 30.
Awaiting orders. Operator?
The one on the back.
10-4.
Receiving.
Can I advise AMR and first responder? They can go clear.
Reporting 10-4.
Okay, I'm back. I apologize for my absence. I'm sure I was sorely missed. So far, where's this one? Oh, it's on the water.
Reporting.
10-5 unit car.
Going there.
Reporting.
So far, so good.
Can I advise AMR and first
Ready for
responder?
action.
They can go clear.
Awaiting orders 10-4.
We're just trying to pump him out right here.
Going back to base.
Search. I don't need a search, man.
On my way.
Standing down.
Brian Gian of Vice Mark.
Reporting. Roger.
Going there.
What's this?
Reporting.
Returning to
Okay.
base.
So far, so good. So far, so good.
Going to the hospital.
In pursuit.
It really hurts me. I've got a bunch of units that I can't use at the moment.
We're done here.
Operator. Operator. Roger.
Ah, damn it. Okay.
Ready for action.
Dr. Nick,
10-4.
please come here. I did not need another one there.
Going to the incident. Receiving 10-4.
Clear. 23.
We're done here. Awaiting orders. Suspects awaiting
Opa
transport.
Jones.
Going there.
Grandpa Jones.
Returning to base. Ready for action.
We got this. Oh, I don't got that. Where are you going?
Reporting. 10-4.
No.
Awaiting
You
orders.
come here.
Receiving.
You come back
Going
down
there.
here.
Receiving. Starting chase.
We'll send the secret spies. Oh, come
Going
on now.
back to base.
Roger. Awaiting orders.
We'll just use our helicopters for searching there. I would love to use my horses, but they are worthless.
Operator standing by.
Sorry, 1919.
10-4.
Receiving.
I try to shift and alt click on that one. We'll see if that happens.
On my way. Awaiting orders.
Going there. Police
Police
officer under attack. On my way.
We're done here.
Operator
Awaiting further orders. Complete.
on my way.
Any efficiency or
Operator ready for next case.
Roger.
balls.
Ready for action.
Any efficiency or use. Oh, where's this guy? Holy shit! What are you doing, dude? Are you drunk?
We found them. Intervention necessary. Going there. Aggressive behavior. Receiving.
1035 Mary.
Receiving.
Sir, there was a huge accident
Yeah, great. Why are people out driving in this weather?
Where is it exactly?
on the highway at 35 Lowe's Road.
Oh, how many
What
vehicles?
vehicles took part in the accident?
A few passenger cars.
How many injured are there?
There are a few injured.
Is there anything else I should know?
People are trapped in the vehicle.
All right, I'll take over from here.
Yes, sir.
Receiving.
Operator. Roger.
Send fire rescue.
Awaiting transport.
Going back to base.
I guess we better send everybody.
Ready for action. Going there.
What I was trying to say is that any efficiency or proper unit to proper place
Standing by.
is completely out the window.
Receiving.
Completely out the window.
Operator, we're stuck
On
in
my
snow.
way.
Reporting. Going there.
Oh, okay, so those quad bikes were completely useless.
Going there.
We're just trying to throw whatever units we got
Roger.
in whatever position I see them
Case resolved.
to the incident.
Susanna, that's
Come
Route
on.
1921.
What's with all these searches?
Don't think they're all 30.
Police transport needed. Buddy, there ain't nothing.
Operator.
How many you need to transport? One?
Reporting. Roger.
We gotta clear that up just to get someone in free, man. Like, what's this? Search for an abducted child. You know, that's kind of important. I think. I got no units for this. Where are you going?
Operator.
Where are you going?
Reporting.
Okay, you're now going here.
Incident.
You are now going here, boom boom.
On my way.
Is anybody going to this?
Ready for action. On my way.
Station 1 needs you to go to...
Where's the stroke at?
Receiving.
You're stuck in the snow. Right next to this stroke victim. What are you, like, a block away? Get out of the damn car and walk there. Alright, what? Let's send this guy to try to get this guy out. Let's send the ghoulies up
Going there.
to try to help this poor person.
Try to call back to this firearm job.
Burning building. We're in a snowstorm. How do we have a burning building?
Receiving.
Step up.
On my way.
Step up.
10-830.
Fire on the boat?
Reporting.
Awaiting orders.
Are you moving at all?
Waiting orders.
Squid Games.
10-5 unit K.
Holy smokes. Okay, somehow we're halfway through the shift already.
10-4.
This has only been rolling for 7 minutes. So we're responding like pros. Just keeping calm. Keep your head.
Further
Going to
orders.
the hospital.
On my way.
Order canceled. We're done here.
Reporting. Roger.
Then
On my way.
where are you going, asshole?
Operator?
Come here.
Operator, we're stuck going to the incident.
Returning to base. Going there. Returning to base.
10-4. Operator.
Reporting.
What's this search here?
Case resolved.
Receiving.
You come here.
Going there. We're done here.
You come here.
On my way.
You come here.
Ready for next.
Oh my god, they just won't stop.
Awaiting further orders.
On my way.
Receiving.
10-4.
Negative. Receiving.
Bail this guy out.
We're done here.
Receiving.
D Krabby, crowds, be aggressive. It's right there. I don't need to.
Returning to base.
On my way.
On my way.
Reporting. Standing by. Going to the incident. Police assistance is
Receiving.
required.
Standing by. We need an ambulance here.
Returning to base.
Ready for next case.
Sir, we can't do it.
Receiving.
We'll get them.
Oh my goodness.
Receiving.
Ready for next case.
Operator, we're stuck in snow.
Awaiting.
You know what?
Awaiting orders. Reporting.
Figure it out.
Complete.
Case resolved.
Case resolved.
Going there.
Going there.
We'll get them.
Operator, we're
Sir,
stuck in
that is
snow.
not possible. Receiving.
Operator, we're stuck
On
in
my
snow.
way. Case resolved.
Come bail this guy out, please.
Standing by.
Operator, we're stuck.
Oh my god.
Standing by.
Going
Like-
there.
It just doesn't stop.
Going there.
Returning to base. Awaiting orders. Case resolved. Order called off.
Operator, we're stuck in snow.
Receiving.
Operator, we're stuck in
Awaiting
snow.
further orders.
We can't
We
go
have an
there now.
aggressive individual
On
here.
my way.
Reporting. 10-4.
I'm sending TV's Frank after that. Where's the stabbing? Okay, hold on. Man, I thought we were cooking there for a minute.
Orders. Roger.
Come here, please.
Ready for action.
Come here, please. You're stuck in snow.
Receiving.
Arson squad, come down and dig these idiots out. Where's TV's Frank? Oh, you need transport?
Took care of that earlier today.
Awaiting orders.
Okay, we'll get you transport. I need to free you up.
Operator.
The ghoulies? No. You gotta come
10-4.
the whole way across town to help this staff. You know,
AMR and first responder.
where's this guy going?
Awaiting orders.
I sent him the whole way up there for the search.
Station 1 leads you to go to...
Now let's do a shift.
Reporting.
Let's do a shift right click. He can go there after he's done this. This is the best solution.
Reporting.
You just come in here. You do not go wherever you're planning on going. How about you come here to the car crash? Okay, look. We're over 3/4 of the way done the shift already. We got our reputation above 100. That's good. Was there another search that needed help? Is this a search? Yeah. Send a drone over to help.
Alright, I need units west 1 West 182, 1 West 182.
Oof. Okay, look, we're just going to keep pushing forward,
Yes,
man.
ma'am. Wanted to let you know
Just
we
gonna
are in
go.
line. Also, you have a 10-8-3-0
Returning to base.
10-4.
No, you're not returning to base. You're going there immediately.
Ready for next case. We're done here.
Terrorist
Ready
lookalike.
for next case.
I missed that one. You see it just disappeared?
10-4.
We're done here. 10-4. Receiving. Awaiting further orders. Standing down.
Get rid of that one.
Reporting. Going there. Awaiting further orders. Going back to base.
We have a 10-8-3-0.
That's a problem.
Next case. Standing by.
Where are you going? Where are you
Ready
going?
for action.
Go here.
Going there.
I thought that's where I sent him anyway.
Roger. Case resolved.
Okay, say Nix.
Ready for action.
Go.
Going there. Suspects awaiting transport. Standing by.
You're going to have to, we'll send you back up.
Roger.
Injured on board.
Ready for
Go.
action.
Going there.
Go.
Search complete. Operator. Reporting. On my way. Ready for next case. Standing down.
Going there. Station 1
10-4. Reporting.
Right, any semblance of strategy, story,
Returning to base.
individual units for
Order called off.
our units is gone. It's just pure
Awaiting further orders.
chaos and reaction.
Done here.
Ready for next case.
But I think that's it.
Going there.
Yeah, you need to come back down here, dummy.
Case resolved.
Ready for the next case.
What unit?
631.
On my way.
Roger.
Send everybody. We're
Going
done.
there. Receiving.
Let's just get everything cleaned up.
Done here. Receiving.
Help here.
1035 Mary.
What's going on here? They took care of business.
Going there.
Help here.
We'll get them.
I sent a helicopter to stop a red light offense.
Standing down.
Not a good idea. I'll send my chase car too. Watch this guy go. Oh, he's gonna hit the highway. Boom.
Roger.
Case resolved.
Order canceled. Case resolved.
Like,
Station
On my way.
are we?
Awaiting further orders.
I think we got everything done. Oh, we're still waiting on this.
Roger. We'll
Look,
get
the elite almost caught up already. They're gonna pass. They're gonna pass the stumper. Where?
ready for next.
Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen, but I didn't have a choice.
Ready for the next case.
1499.
This guy's ran a red light, and he's got half the force after him. Helicopter over his car.
Ready for next
He's
case.
like, "Whoops, I ain't gonna do that again." Man, we blitzed through that.
Going there.
We're only at the 15-minute mark.
We're done here.
You need more help?
Operator, going there.
All right, we'll just speed this up now.
Going there.
Returning to base.
Oh, he got it. That's it. Again, not a lot of profit. I just have too many units out there. Efficiency improved. Bunch of promotions. Nobody got shot. Nobody got killed. No one got the plague. Only one email. This is what I want to see. 3 duties left. Oh, that's a good number. Oh, wait. No, look. We didn't have the summit. That's not... This weather forecast specifically told me it was only going to be a day. For at least a day. Heavy rainfall expected. Possibility of travel delays, road and rail closures, power cuts, and the potential risk of life and property. Okay, so at least it's not snow. But the rain comes with its own problems. Again, a lot of units I'm not going to be able to use. We won't have to send our fire units to dig vehicles out, but we are going to have to send them to repair power, clear roads, that kind of stuff. Pardon me. So, not ideal, but it could be worse. And I guess that summit's happening soon. I don't know if that summit's going to be like my last group of missions. Maybe there's big protests and riots and stuff. But that's okay. We got that covered, man. Because we got... You know who we got, right? We got the Wu-Tang. So, no one's going to try nothing. And that's it. Blitzed out a short one today. That was awesome. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on 112 Operator.